What's up? Oh, okay. Thank you, man.
Right, if I get the call here again for a green dirt bike,
you know who it is. Yeah,
I'll be knocking on your door, so you
okay. All right, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I'm back on the KX250 today, and today I'm just going to be trying to find some new spots to ride on. I've been going to the same spots a lot recently, and it's kind of getting boring, so I'm going to try to find some new spots today for you guys. The bike's looking super clean today, guys. I got all those parts still ordered. They should be here in like a day or so. I know I was talking about that in my last video, but they still have not showed up yet. But all right, guys, I'm going to keep the intro short and sweet today, so I'm just going to hop on the bike and let's try to find some spots. So guys, I'm really close to hitting 1,000 subs, and I couldn't thank you guys enough. Little me would be so proud to hit 1,000 subs. This thing actually rips so hard. It's crazy. I actually love this bike so much. This thing just cooked. Let's hit my little jump spot real quick that I always like to hit. So guys, last video I was asking about, do you guys want me to make some maintenance videos? And it seems like a lot of people want me to do that. So I'm gonna do that very soon for you guys. Let's hit this again real quick. Let off the throttle there a bit, that was not good. But yeah guys, like I was saying, in my last video I was asking you guys if you guys wanted me to drop some maintenance videos, and it seemed like you guys want me to do that, so I'm gonna start to do that very soon for you guys. Probably next video actually I'll have some sort of just, you know, basic maintenance tip or something like that for you guys. So guys, I kind of want to just talk about some of the content things that I have planned for you guys in the next month or so. I hope there's no cops up here because I am hauling ass. Oh god, a bunny. Bunny almost tried to commit. Oh god. What's going on up here? What is this in the street? A squirrel now? What the hell? But yeah guys, so I'm gonna be going out to Silver Lake, Michigan in the summer, so that's gonna be very sick. I'll be dropping a dunes video, just trying to find some different free riding spots and some crazy just dune trails and shit like that. Ooh, it smells like someone's having a bonfire. It smells good. Hopefully there's no one coming. Alright, we're good. This thing actually rips so hard. Guys, another video that I want to film for you guys is me in Arizona. I most likely probably won't be able to ride a dirt bike there, but I could definitely ride some quads. They have like a bunch of spots where you can rent them at, and there's just like absolutely nuts trails out there. I did it last time I was out there visiting my cousin, and it was actually insane. Alright guys, I'm gonna go to my favorite little spot. I like to hit these little lines at and these jumps. What's up? Oh, okay. Thank you, man. Yeah, thank you so much.
what we're gonna do today.
Uh-huh.
You're cooperative with me.
Yeah, I'll say like my bad, man.
You're respectful out there. I'm not gonna jam you out with tickets.
Okay.
But you do know that even with your license, you get yourself several different tickets for driving on through the parkway.
Through the grass, you're saying? Yeah.
Can't do that.
Okay.
All right. I just need your license.
Okay.
I'm just gonna run you. If I get a complaint about a green dirt bike wearing this again, you know where I'm coming.
Okay.
Right?
Sounds good.
Fair?
Yeah.
If you want to ride it, just put it up in a trailer. There's plenty of places out west you can go to.
Yeah. Okay.
Within city limits. All right.
Okay.
Today, there's no tickets, nothing like that. I'm not gonna.
Okay.
Like I said, you were cooperative, respectful.
Yeah.
I'll give you this one break, but
Okay.
I'm gonna have to put your information in there. So if I do get another complaint out here, I'll be coming knocking on your door first.
Okay.
All right.
Well, on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video after that. Luckily, that cop was pretty cool and didn't jam me up with anything like he said. But until next time, guys, peace out.